Oh, hey guys, to another episode here today. This is kind of a weird video. I want to buy a fidget cube. So I'm on Amazon right now, as you can see right here, Amazon. So we're gonna actually search up fidget cube. I just actually got a mouse right here. So I'm gonna look up fidget cube. Right there, guys. I spelled it wrong, but here, guys. So let's go around here. Wait, this. Let's buy this one. Oh, Galaxy. No, let's just buy this one right here. You know what? No. These are pretty expensive. Fidget cubes are not that good. So let me look on eBay. This might be kind of weird. I don't know. I just never ordered out of Amazon. I just don't like Amazon for some reason. I don't know why. But we're ordering from eBay. Hopefully we don't get scammed. Just kidding. I never got scammed. Actually, only once. My parents were ordering a speed cube for me, but it never came. Sorry, this one came. No, but I don't think these that never came, but I think they just didn't order it and they bought me that one instead. But yeah. So it's taking forever. God damn it! Why eBay? Why? I'm recording a video right now, man. Every time I don't record a video, this is faster. I think. I don't know if you guys can see my thing right here. You know. Come on, load faster. No, it's like, it's not really, oh, there. Oh, finally. You just look at my fidget cubes. I forgot who gave, oh yeah, Joshua. So for some reason, he hasn't been recording videos. I don't know why. So you just this fidget cube. Spin it over. Spin it right there. And you guys know what's wrong. Wait. Right there. Oh, god damn it. Stop spinning. Oh, right there. What's wrong with it? Fidget spinning. Yo, I just want. Ooh. Oh, so ordered this one. Yeah. It's a nice looking one right there. Free shipping, man. So, let's just add that to the cart. And I want the green one. Yeah, that green one though. So green. And there we got the green one. So I'm just gonna add it to my cart. So there it's in the cart, and process the checkout. So we'll wait until this video ends. So yeah. So hopefully you guys like this video. I'm gonna here and I'm just gonna sign into this and we'll wait until the fidget cube comes, okay? Okay. I don't know why I just did that. Okay. So yeah. Hopefully you guys like, enjoy, and probably like maybe today might come because I actually have like a speed thing so it comes faster. So yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you guys don't miss any of my videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one.